Okay, welcome everyone. Kevin LaRocca here with Binary Pro Strategies. Today is August the 8th of 2018, and this is going to be the daily recap of the trades, all the trades I demonstrated live in our chat room today. If you do become a member of our chat room, I do demonstrate these. I also show you why I'm making a trade, when I'm executing. You can see me place the orders and so forth. So I do this live as a way of teaching my students exactly how to use my strategy and to fine-tune their skills with it. But the important thing today is this was kind of a choppy day. As you can see, I consider this quite a few trades. I like to hit my objective within the first three trades. And I had what here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever trades. I ended the day with a little bit of profit, certainly better than taking a loss. But I think the most important thing here is whenever you're trading, you really have to look at the strength of the market and how all the currency pairs are acting in relation to each other. And today, there was some discrepancies. I wasn't seeing the correlation that I typically see across the pairs. So I was a little bit more cautious. But once again, the most important lesson with today's trading is how you manage size. So I came in today, and what I did is I just put the sizes over here so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. It relates to the over here, so as I bought 4, I bought 1, so forth. But look how I managed my size. I came in, I was looking to put on actually an initial position of 5, which I did. It got a split fill. It ended up being a loser. But then what happened is, look what I did here. I came back and I lowered my size. Now, sometimes I will increase my size if the market is strong and I take a loss and I feel that the market is going to continue to move in a particular direction. I will go ahead and maybe add more contracts. Sometimes I will stay the same. Typically, the first few trades I will stay the same, and sometimes I increase. In this case, I just kind of tapered back a little bit and went down to 4. And I just kind of did this. So what you're seeing here, and I explained this in chat, is why I wanted to add, 5 contracts here, which you can see was a beautiful winner. But then when the market isn't so strong, I will taper down a little bit. In this case, I had a total of 3 positions on. This actually ended up being a winner on the end, but I was kind of scaling in on this one. Because I started liking what I was seeing here as we went closer to expiration. But nonetheless, this is a good example of how you manage size. Now, I do have a video that goes through just this on how to manage your size, the type of or the amount of contracts you're putting on any particular trade. Is very, very important when it comes to binaries. Now, even though I'm looking to make $50 and lose 49, there are going to be times when you will have to adjust your size, and that is going to be a function of several different factors, which I do go into more in depth during our live chat. Nonetheless, if you're interested in learning how I do this, I am offering kind of the basics fundamental video, which goes into a few of the things that I look at and give you an idea of how to better fine-tune your trades and what to look for. If you're interested in that, you can go to my website at binaryprostrategies.com, and if you want to hang tight here, let me go ahead and give you a little bit more information. Anyhow, I will see you tomorrow on Thursday the 9th, and y'all have a good night. Thanks. Okay, so here we are. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in getting the free fundamental video, which I am going to offer free of charge right now for a limited time, all you have to do is just go to binaryprostrategies.com. You're going to get a little pop-up, fill out the information, and what I'll do is I will send you a link. It's actually a link to a private Facebook page where you have access. That's where you're going to be able to see the fundamental video, but you're also going to be able to look at my prior trades because I do post them daily, and all these trades are the trades that I demonstrate live in front of my students as I share my charts and I make my trades and I explain and explain and demonstrate to you exactly why I'm making a particular trade, what the particular setup is, and so forth. So it's very educational, but nonetheless, nothing's held back in that fundamentals videos. That is the core strategy that I use to make all the trades that you saw today. And I'm sure that just taking that video and applying the methods that you see there, it's greatly going to improve your trading. But if you do want to go more in depth and really fine tune it, I do offer a service. It's a monthly service where you would then have access to all my other training videos where I go a lot more into detail on each aspect of the core strategy. And of course, I also give additional what I call actionable trade ideas, where there are certain patterns that are not actually in the fundamental video that you can certainly take advantage of, and they're pretty powerful in terms of making money. So, nonetheless, that's it. Please come back, and I will have another video tomorrow, and where I'll also share my trades. And once again, if you decide that you do want to join us, what you could do is you could just go ahead and in the Binary Pro Strategies, there's a place where you can go ahead and send me an email if you'd like, and or always feel free to give me a call at 469-554-0850. Be glad to answer all your questions. My goal here is to, I've been doing this for 35 years, so my goal here is to help other traders finally see how to truly make money in the markets. And I believe you can, you have a tremendous advantage by using Nadex binary options. So that's it. I wish you the best of success, and hopefully you'll be back tomorrow for my next, where I go over all my trades for that particular day. Take care.